Okay, we're in Malta by the gun museum, waiting to see if we can go watch the cannons go off. They're supposed to go off at noon. It's currently 2 minutes till noon. I think they're moving the horses so they don't get scared by the cannon fire. I don't know if we can get in for free. Hoping that we can. Some parts are good. People are there. What? Right here, buddy. Look, people in front. Oh, like minutes away. Okay, so you can pay to do it. Do it online. Or you can do it with me. Sort of last second. I'm trying to see it from here. Fortunately, I'm really tall, so let's see what this is all about. There's a lot of people here. Wow. I wonder if I can. Definitely can.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope that the gun was loud enough and that you've enjoyed today's firing. I would suggest that you give a good round of applause to the boys in uniform for their splendid. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the saluting battery and thank you for joining us for the new day of firing. For those of you on the battery that got the balcony, those of you on the battery, especially on the right hand side, please remain where you are for a moment, as we still need to take one of the gunpowder cartridges back to the gunpowder